Guys, I just took this out of the oven, nice and shiny. This is the fuel injection hat, which I'm gonna take the tape off right now. I'll explain to you guys why I did this. Okay, I'm back. I took the high temp tape off. So the reason I did this was for when the silicone hose goes on here and you gotta clamp it. Right here, what I did here is to avoid that. So when you put a amount of pressure on a clamp, the powder, when you bake it on, reacts like a glass. So if you crush that glass, what's gonna happen? It's gonna shatter the powder. So this is the reason why I did this. And also when I put the clamp on, it gets that extra grip, especially when you're on boost, so it doesn't pop off. So we're gonna install this on the car and see what happens. Well, not what happens, see what it look like. This is the update, that's what it looked like.